have here, because they're gonna test air raid something. So we're gonna get up there. So literally, it's the siren at the black Fernsburg fruit building. Their preview of it. It's about to play in 3 minutes. Oh, 4 for 3 minutes. Okay, guys, that was actually the sound that you guys would hear. I'm not joking. That was the sound you guys would literally hear. Like, presumably. It used to be played when those planes crashed. Like, yeah. They actually when those planes crashed into the river, and those sirens, all these full sirens went off. All these full sirens, not joking, guys. These full sirens went off. They went off because they thought there was a threat. So they all went off. They all turned on. People started running because they thought a plane was going to crash. And one crashed into a street, like the street right there. So when it was clear, they exited. Okay, that should be the end. Thank you for watching. This video is taken also from downtown Fernsburg. Maybe these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 sirens that tested. Actually, it was 5 sirens that went off that day. Not today, but these 4 get tested. It was actually 5. Thank you for watching.